Before we dive into the world of bankruptcy, it's crucial to mention that I am not a lawyer and the information provided in this video is sourced from the official U.S. government website, uscourts.gov, and other sources. Always consult a legal professional for advice tailored to your specific situation. And with that, welcome back to my channel. My name is Railway to Success, and today we're going to explore the complex world of filing for bankruptcy, shedding light on what it is, how it happens, and what to do if you find yourself on the brink of financial insolvency. First, let's lay some groundwork. In 1978, Congress enacted the Bankruptcy Code, codified as Title 11 in the U.S. Code. This replaced the Bankruptcy Code of 1898, or known as the Nelson Act. There is a bankruptcy court for each federal judicial district in the United States. These courts are essential because the bankruptcy judge has discretion over all matters related to the bankruptcy cases, from eligibility to debt discharge. The federal bankruptcy laws aims to provide debtors with a financial fresh start, freeing from the burdensome debts. As the Supreme Court emphasized in 1934, it's about giving the honest but unfortunate debtor a new opportunity in life, unburdened by pre-existing debt. Now, there are 6 basic types of bankruptcy cases. Number 1, we have Chapter 7, which is called a liquidation case, where a court trustee manages the debtor's assets, paying creditors. Debtors can keep certain assets, but not all, such as primary residence and a certain vehicle up to a certain value, and other assets to a certain extent. Depending on the debtor's ability or assets, or lack thereof, there may be some cases where no assets are liquidated. These cases are termed no asset cases. These are subject to a means test to determine the validity or qualifications of a debtor for relief under Chapter 7. Number 2, you have Chapter 9, handles local governments like counties, tax districts, and school districts. Number 3, Chapter 11, primarily used for businesses, allowing them to continue operating while reorganizing to pay down their debts. Number 4, Chapter 12, designed for farmers and fishermen with regular annual income. Number 5, Chapter 13, allows individuals with regular income to create a repayment plan for outstanding debts. You must complete payments before discharge. It is used for individuals who do not qualify for Chapter 7. At a confirmation hearing, the courts approve or reject the debtor's repayment plan, depending on if it meets the requirements of Bankruptcy Protection Code. Unlike Chapter 7, you do not receive immediate relief from the debt. You must complete the payments before discharge is granted. The debtor is protected from lawsuits, garnishes, and other credit actions while the plan is in effect. Number 6, Chapter 15. This is disputes between a debtor's assets and the U.S. law and a foreign country. People file for bankruptcy for various reasons, including consumer debt, business debt, medical bills, credit card debt, personal or business loans. It's essential to know which chapter suits your situation. What to do if you're in danger of bankruptcy? Now, what if you're in danger of going bankrupt? Here are some steps you should take as outlined in an article by CNBC reporter Andrew Osterlin. Number 1, gather all necessary documents such as tax returns, pay stubs, and asset appraisals. Number 2, complete a credit counseling course both before and after filing. Number 3, fill out and print the appropriate bankruptcy forms, pay the filing fee for $338 normally for Chapter 7, and file the forms in court. Number 4, attend the meeting with your creditors, likely held online about a month after your case is filed. And please, if you're going to file for bankruptcy, please do not do the following things, okay? Here's what not to do. 1, never attempt to hide assets. All your assets may be seized in bankruptcy, and failing to disclose them can result in criminal charges. Number 2, don't max out your credit cards before you file. This doesn't look good for you in court, I promise you. Number 3, never use funds from your retirement accounts to pay off debt. Protect your future, okay? Now, before we conclude, remember that every bankruptcy case is unique. Seek legal advice and consider personal examples to understand your situation. To help you understand how bankruptcy can apply to your real life situations, let's consider a personal example. Imagine you've been running a business and it involved purchasing 10 cars for your company's transportation needs. Simultaneously, you embarked on a side project, fixing and flipping your first home. Those 10 cars were meant to boost your business operations, but things took an unexpected turn. Perhaps the market shifted, or you faced unexpected expenses, and now you find yourself deep in business debt. Your monthly payments and maintenance and unforeseen costs have become overwhelming. On the flip side, quite literally, you were attempting to fix and flip a home as an additional source of income. The real estate market can be volatile, and you might have faced delays, underestimated expenses, or struggle to find a buyer for the property. The combination of business debt and the real estate endeavor put you in a challenging financial situation. The pressure of multiple financial commitments and the inability to cover the expenses led you to consider bankruptcy as an option. Now, this now this specific situation was very personal to me because if you watch any of my other videos, you would know that is my personal story. So I tried Turo and I tried the car rental business, and I have a podcast coming up with a very, very successful person in this business. So be on the lookout for that. But I myself purchased 10 cars for a business while simultaneously doing my first house flip, and everything from unexpected expenses to underestimated expenses to with the cars, everything from cars being stolen, not returned, to cars breaking down because renters are not doing a good job of taking care of the cars while they're in their possession, to oil changes, to gas calls, to having to order kill switches because you don't want to have the same thing happening again where a renter doesn't bring your car back or someone steals your cars, to having to pay to store your cars places. And again, with the real estate, underestimating the expenses, as I said earlier, and just not knowing all the regulations and rules when it comes to flipping a property. So that's very crucial. So please understand which chapter you fall in, because it can be very, very, very stressing. And so now here's where understanding different chapters of bankruptcy is crucial. And this Here's where understanding the different chapters of bankruptcy is crucial. In this case, you might need to consult with a bankruptcy attorney to determine whether Chapter 7, Chapter 11, or another chapter is most suitable for your specific situation. In your case, it's essential to seek advice from bankruptcy experts who can help you navigate the complexities of your unique financial situation. They will guide you through the process from assessing your assets to creating a plan for a fresh start. Ultimately, filing for bankruptcy in this scenario may provide you with the relief you need to regain control of your finances, protect your assets, and focus on rebuilding your financial stability. This example highlights how bankruptcy can be a viable option for individuals facing financial challenges, whether due to business debt, real estate investments, or a combination of factors. Remember that each bankruptcy case is unique, and seeking professional advice is crucial to make the right decisions for your financial future. Bankruptcy can be a challenging journey, but with the right knowledge and guidance, you can navigate it more effectively. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video informative, please like and subscribe for more educational content. I appreciate you watching. Peace.